Feel the festive spirit as Christmas Nutcrackers take center stage at SM City Telabastagan's Royal Christmas Holiday Launch. Dressed in dazzling Nutcracker costumes, the performers sang and danced to classic Christmas tunes, spreading joy and excitement among mall-goers of all ages. The highlight of the event is the majestic 30-foot Christmas tree, beautifully adorned with ribbons, gift boxes, and shimmering ornaments. Surrounding it are grand French windows that complete the royal picture-perfect holiday setup, ideal for selfies and family photos.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
SM City Telabastagan invites everyone to experience this enchanting Christmas display and make magical memories this holiday season.
Of course, we would like to invite all our kabalens to come and visit us here in SM City Telabastagan. You can see our massive 30-foot centerpiece. Come take a picture with your families and also enjoy na rin, enjoy na rin our shops here and kain kayo sa mga restaurants dito.
This is Patricia Mamangun on the spot.